Hey guys, what is up? Thank you so much for watching my last video. Today I want to cover a new tool that just came out called PikaSwap. Now this comes from PikaLabs, and the easiest way to explain it is I'm going to run a little demo video of all the different clips. Essentially, it takes a pre-existing video and that allows you to swap one element using AI with anything that you provide it. So far I tried to do 4 Pika swaps. The first one is basically me holding a can of Coke, was the original video, and I tried to swap it with a different soda product to see if that would work. So here's the results of the first one. You could see the can and the tracking is actually really good, but the secondary picture, the logo kind of goes off of the can a little bit and it's not super realistic. Anyways, I tried it one more time. This time I think was a little bit better, but ultimately the swap was just not great with text and stuff like that. But essentially, I took a drone shot of the Statue of Liberty and I tried to replace it with a statue of Elon Musk. I don't think really the resemblance of Elon Musk is there anymore, but ultimately, especially from the smaller one, it looks pretty realistic that the statue was changed, and I think if you did a bit of tweaking, make it look a lot better. Now here's the last one, and I think I got this one obviously inspired by some of the demos. It's a video of just me petting my friend's dog, but I turned it into a little tiger, and here you can see it right now. This one actually I do think has potential to go viral on social media. So now that we're here, I'm going to try one more with you guys live, and we'll see how it turns out. So right now, to do a PikaSwap, you actually have to be a member, so I did that for this video. So if you appreciate that, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to basically show you how it goes. So we're going to upload a 5-second video. This is the video that I found on my camera roll, and we're going to see if we can make some magic out of it. Pick that. And now the second thing you're going to want to do is you can either use a brush and then fill in the dog, or you can just describe what you want to modify. So I'm just going to write dog. Alright, so we're going to try this simple prompt, swap the dog with a roaring realistic lion, and see how well that goes. I'm not really sure because of the cuts in this video, but it's a little challenge and we'll see how it handles it. And here's the result. To be honest, it's not too bad. Some parts are a little bit funny, but ultimately, I'm pretty impressed. Two main reasons why you'd want to use this. The first one is you're an influencer and you want to have yourself in the video, but you want to make it viral, a viral hook, put some element that ordinarily wouldn't be there to shock the users. The second one is if you're a brand and you have people that you want to represent in your brand, but you can't get them your products, essentially you could get them to hold a filler product and PikaSwap your product into their hands.